Okay, so I have an obsession with Notion, and I've been watching too many videos about how amazing it is and all the different things you can do with it lately. Love her. I feel like I have some practicals in here, as well as like it's cute and fun, so I'm just gonna share that. Okay, so I'm gonna do this on my iPad because I just got her and I love her. So we start here, my homepage. She's cute. So we go, this is Senti. This is my brand. And this is like my branding board. So I have my brand identity, which is just like logo and stuff, which, oops, you just don't even know how often like you need to go back to that, honestly. My branding colors, I got this on Colors. I don't know if y'all know what that is, but Colors, it's amazing. Color, I say it like Colors because I think it's like that. I don't know, anyway, it's like the best thing ever. So, oops, let's get back to here. Mood board, ugh, I miss her. I've not been in here in a while. Yeah. That kind of is the problem with like these types of things, is sometimes you just forget to go in. But basically the vibes are Senti, the camera recorder and everything, mission statement, you know, this I've honestly come back to so many times, as well as like what the Lord kind of put on my heart for what this was about. Okay, I won't go into all of this, but this is one thing that I have found is like super useful. Your alt text. And like SEO, everyone knows it's so important. I have used this so many times because you're always like rewriting the same alt text for similar products. So I just like copy and paste that so many times. Next, this was a quote that I found and I think it's so funny. Just go crazy for TikTok. That's self-explanatory. So this is my favorite thing. So basically you can choose your view. There's epics, which is like the main project that these tasks are associated with. The first one is like digital marketing, which I didn't add a timeline, probably should. But then like social media stuff, TikTok specifically. This is so funny because I have been wanting to do this video since literally November. That's so embarrassing. And then the specific task associated, the priority that it has, and the day I created it, which, well, when you click on it, it has like a date of when you actually want it to be done. And then you can add notes. So I actually did make this TikTok, so it's complete. So fun. This is in progress. So yeah, baby, follow my Instagram. About to put out a new design. Literally, I probably should be working on that right now instead, but it's okay. And then lastly, my second favorite page is I've also used this one probably the most, if I'm honest, is my brain dump. So because I'm always like trying to think of new designs, I have different quotes in here. Design ideas. So this is just a compilation of quotes and things that I've come up with over the past, or just like thoughts the Lord gave me, and I didn't have like an exact like quote with it. It was just like a thought. I've come back to this so many times whenever I'm like in a creative phase and I'm like, oh, like I should play around with this font. Like, let me choose one of my quotes. This is basically a super quick overview of my use of Notion for my brand.